Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can take this total data from this Excel sheet. See here, this is the Microsoft Excel to Google Sheet. See, this is on my browser and this is on the Google spreadsheet. Actually, there are two ways you can do this. One is through not a professional way, but just to copy paste the entire data. But in few cases, this is not possible. And the second way is to export from here from Excel and import it on Google Sheet. I'll tell you both. And the second one is the most professional way and it will be useful. Okay, first we'll see the traditional method. Yeah, I'll just select, I'm just holding shift key. I'll select entire data, right click on this, copy this. I'll go to the Google spreadsheet and I'll just press Ctrl V on my keyboard. So this will copy the entire sheet as it is. So I'll just minimize this, or yeah, see the entire sheet, it is copied even with this color formats and everything. And the second way is I'll take a new spreadsheet here. Okay, on this I will import the data. First we need to export the data here. So this is on my Microsoft Excel. I'll click on this file and I'll click on the save as and save to this PC. Onto the desktop I'll save and I'll name it as export to Google Sheet. Okay, I'll choose CSV because I just want this only sheet. I just want, see, I only want this sheet, this current sheet, but not the entire workbook. So that's the reason I'm choosing this option under save. Okay. So when you're doing to save something like Google Sheet, I'll say, see, in this drop down, by default Excel workbook will be selected. You can choose to CSV, comma delimited and click on the save. So this gets saved to your, yeah, desktop. Okay. Okay, press on OK and check on the desktop whether it has been saved. See, to Google Sheet it has been saved. Not what I'll do is I'll open this Google spreadsheet and click on this file and click on the import. And here I'll get the chance to upload this file. I can browse the file or I can just drag and drop this. So what I'll do is I'll just drag and drop this, or you can click on upload, whatever, anything is fine. Yeah. So detect automatically, create a new spreadsheet or replace the current sheet. It is fine. If you want a new sheet is okay, but replace the current sheet. That's fine. Click on the import data. See here, all the data as it is got imported, but the difference is here the color format and everything is missing. I don't know the exact reason, but if any one of you know the exact reason for this, you can comment down below, and how we can import the exact color formats or the font formats, whatever it may be, how we can get the exact here. When I click on copy and paste, everything was same, but when I import the data, the text is okay, but the formatting is missing. So what's the reason and how we overcome this? If anyone knows, please do comment so that it will be useful to others and I will also get to know. Thanks for watching. Have a nice